Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Killer Kustard line by Vapetasia. Created in Las Vegas, Nevada, Killer Kustard are 70 VG 30 PG blends, available in 60 or 100 milliliter bottles and 4 levels of nicotine. Killer Kustard is the hallmark of the collection, with an enchanting mix of vanilla and creamy custard for a harmony of sweet and savory. The smell is strong notes of vanilla custard. The inhale is sweet vanilla, with creamy custard lingering on the exhale. Killer Kustard Lemon is a delightful zing of tart lemons mellowed by fresh and creamy vanilla custard. This is my favorite flavor of the review. The smell is a blend of custard and lemon notes. I get light notes of vanilla on the inhale, with delicious creamy lemon custard on the finish. Killer Kustard Strawberry is rich in creamy clouds of vanilla custard combined with hints of ripe strawberries. I get predominant top notes of sweet strawberry for the smell. Both the inhale and the exhale are a sweet, creamy strawberry. This is a delicious custard lovers line. The flavors were spot on. The lemon wasn't too overpowering and the strawberry was sweet. Overall, excellent sweet and creamy flavors. Currently, the Killer Kustard line runs $19.99 per 60 milliliter bottle. If you'd like to pick up the line for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.